Netflix binging, a lot of baking, a lot of cooking. And then there were days that I was just down and sad and a little depressed. I needed a little bit a sense of normalcy to be around women who were working out. Going into the gym was exactly what I needed. I've never been stronger. I've been able to lose weight, keep weight off, fit my clothes nicely. It has just been so good for me mentally and physically. I feel very safe. That's a no-brainer for me. And then when you guys implemented all of your safety standards, and masks and the sanitizing mats and temperature checks, it was just so easy to come in and feel safe. Absolutely essential. Treat yourself, be kind to yourself, and do it for you.